Namaste, welcome to Achievers News. Both west and eastern coast to see rain as cyclones. Brew, IMD, New Delhi. A low pressure area of Maharashtra coast is likely to bring rainfall over India's western coast and North Maharashtra and Gujarat starting from Wednesday, while a low pressure over South Thailand is likely to emerge as a cyclonic storm over the east coast on December 4, the IMD said. The already rain and flood battered eastern coast is set to witness more rainfall as a low pressure lay over South Highland and neighborhood on Tuesday and is likely to emerge into Andaman Sea by early Wednesday.